Ano? May mga kalaban ba tayo? Uy, pare! Kailangan namin makakalaban sa PlayStation eh.
Ito yun,
Pambato namin.
Top 7 Global.
Ito nga, NBA? Ayos yun, lalabas nila.
Mythical Glory.
Dito kami yung lalaro eh, sa PS Gaming Hub eh. Oh.
Kami!
Ayun oh, open na pala oh.
Yun, tara na.
Ano, open bet ba kayo?
Open bet kami yan. Kaya na ba ng mga daliri nyo?
Sarap kasi maglaro dyan pare, bilis sa lamig. Bagong-bago. PS Gaming Hub oh. Tara, Fabi, open!
Welcome guys! Okay, open!
Wow.
Open, feel free!
How many
play.
units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah,
Oh,
8
8 units.
Yeah, that's the new idea here in Cavite. I check also here in Manila, but I don't see not same like this model for PlayStation. The people come here working play for 1 hour.
How much? Per
89 pesos. 89 pesos 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yes,
Oh.
yes.
For one PC.
For one PlayStation.
Okay.
Uh,
Operating time. From what time open?
Open, our idea is open to 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. but weekends start until 12 p.m.
Okay. Like for example, reservation.
Yes, but
What number we contact?
we contact my number 0995-643-8643. I want to adjust for Philippines. No, I live here 13 years. I like to, of course, my public is for Filipinos. So what the idea the people around give to me, I'm the adjust.
Adjust.
Yes.
And also like for example like 4 people, 3 people, and then 3 hours, 4 hours we have a discount.
Yes, of course. Then also can play and sometimes simultaneous for NBA. Like for example, we can play make championships like that. That's the idea, but we need to adjust.
Physical games and digital jailbreak. Yan. So you must try.
Boss!
Yellow boy! Dito tayo ngayon sa PS Gaming Hub. Dito to, saan to pare?
Sa 24 Calanchao Street, corner Jacinto Street.
Galing, sa Espeleta, Mariano, Bahayang Pag-asa, Imus, Cavite. Sa kabila, pwede kayo pumasok doon sa Great Oil. Sa kanan, yung fire station para 7-Eleven. May Jollibee doon, yung Jollibee Palengke, yung nasunog before. So ito pare, soon to open to, mga snack, milk tea, burgers, kahit ano, pare pasok tayo. Itong PS Gaming Hub na to is open daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pwede rin mag-extend until 12. Depende rin yan, pwede rin kayo magpa-reserve. Sa mga upcoming videos ko, sasabihin ko yung mga numbers or contact na pwede nyong ipagpa-reserve. Pasok tayo pare. 8 pieces to pare. Yan. So may mga 2K25. So pare, sa isang chair, 89 pesos per hour. Dalawa na, pwede kayo maghati. Malamig ba mga kaibigan?
Di ba hinaan nyo aircon?
Bakit? Ganun talaga rito. Sobrang komportable. Baguio hits. PS Gaming Hub. Bali ito yung Great Oil sa may Bahayang Pag-asa. Pasok kayo dyan. Pwede rin kayong dumaan dun sa kabila. BFP Fire Station, yung may Jollibee, yung nasunog na palengke. Yan. Tapos 24 Calanchao Street, corner Jacinto Street, Espeleta, Mariano 3, Imus, Cavite. 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Open ng Monday to Sunday. Ayan yung number na pwede nyong kontakin. And then nasa caption din yung may owner na si Pabi. So 89 pesos ang per hour. So pwede na kayong dalawang maghati. Marami dyan. May digital, may physical, online, gaming, PS5, wireless, Bluetooth, and headset. Bago lahat yan mga kapatid. So pwede kayong magpa-reserve. Like for example, group kayo. DM lang kayo sa kanila. Sa Facebook nila, sa number nila. Yan. Pwede kayong 16 persons ang kaya niya eh. Kasi 8 units. May bali total of 9. Meron pa daw doon sa loob. Then may parking. May CR, security, safety, full of CCTV, air condition, and komportable pati yung upuan. Yan.